Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, you will see what happens next if you harvest your curry leaf plant the correct way. Before going any further, here is a small message for you. Here is a recap of what you have seen earlier. So this is what happened after you harvested your curry leaf plant the correct way. So wherever I made a cut, you can see 3 more new branches coming out there. So this is how you make your curry leaf plant grow bushier by harvesting it the correct way. Thank you folks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.